curious kiddos, I'm a red fox, the clever and cunning critter of the woods. Let's dive into some foxy fun facts all about me. I'm a bushy-tailed, rusty red beauty, and I've got pointy ears that are great for listening. My furry coat keeps me warm in the chilly woods, and my sharp, pointy nose is perfect for sniffing out treats. I am super sneaky. I'm a stealthy stroller of the forest. My soft paws and sharp claws help me sneak up on yummy snacks like mice and birds. I have sensational senses. I've got an incredible sense of smell and hearing, which makes me a top-notch hunter. We are Foxy family. I live with my fox family, called a skulk or a leash, and we're really close. We play and take care of each other. We are versatile eater. I'm not picky. I'll munch on fruits, insects, and even leftovers from other animals' meals. Waste not, want not. We are nocturnal navigator. I'm most active at night, which means I do my foxtrot under the moon and stars. I am clever trickster. Some people call me a trickster because of my sneaky ways, but I'm just doing what comes naturally to find food and stay safe. So, whether I'm chasing my bushy tail, pouncing on prey, or having a midnight picnic, remember, I'm the sly and stylish fox of the woods. Keep exploring and learning about all the amazing animals in the wild.